In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an attachment in Outlook. We'll cover the standard attach button and a quick drag and drop approach so you can choose the method that suits your workflow. Start by composing your message. You can create a brand new email, or simply reply to or forward an existing one if you're continuing an ongoing conversation. Once the new message window opens, you'll see tabs at the top. Either the Message tab or the Insert tab will work for adding files. Look for the paperclip icon labeled Attach File. That's your shortcut to bringing a document, image, or other file into your email. When you click Attach File, Outlook offers a few convenient sources. Recent items shows files you've worked with lately, which is perfect if you just save a document and need it fast. Browse This PC lets you navigate your computer's folders to find exactly what you need. And Browse Cloud Locations connects to services like OneDrive or SharePoint. If your organization stores files in the cloud, using that option helps keep things up to date and often shares a link, which is useful for larger files or items that will be edited by others. After you choose the location, select the file and click Open or Attach. Outlook will place it in your message, typically below the subject line or in an attachment area. Take a second to confirm it appears there and that the file name looks correct. If you need to remove it, you can simply select the attachment and delete it before sending. If you prefer a faster, more visual method, try drag and drop. Open your File Explorer on Windows, that's File Explorer on a Mac, its Finder, and find the file you want to send. Click and hold the file, drag it into the body of your Outlook message, and release. Outlook instantly adds it as an attachment. This works for one file or multiple files at once, and it's great when the file is already open on your desktop or sitting in a folder you're browsing. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.